at the water's edge, where we both still believed, and it was easy to see who we are. And these hands never stop. You were a dreamer by trade, over time and underpaid, a machine we ride. Shape of a V, Canadian geese fly, and when you whispered the secret, I knew what you mean. You were destined to be alive, and isn't strange, we can live our whole life inside a dream, trying to fly without wings, trying to die to be free. And isn't it strange? And life has a way of slipping far out of reach, and we keep falling asleep. Yeah, and the money won't keep us afloat for too long, so we can only go on. But I can pray we've been wrong, and isn't it strange?